So it's been now 10 years and it was a difficult start.
The first thing he told me कि तुमको डॉक्टर शीला पहलाजानी की बहू बनना है या अपना एक नाम बनाना है.
Sorry.
We are late. Let's start.
It was
It was totally arranged, come love. हम एक मैट्रिमोनियल साइट से मिले थे and it was totally an arranged marriage. मुझे लड़के देखने का शौक था और इसे शायद मेरे से मिलने का शौक था, तो हमने बोला चलो एक बार मिल लेते हैं. मिले and then it was love at first sight, you can say, and then we were like कि नहीं, whatever the differences are, this is how we met.
अभी क्या है कि we both stay together for almost like 18 hours in a day.
ये आदत है अभी तक 13-14 साल हो गए बनी हुई है कि हम तीनों मील्स एक साथ में लेते हैं. इवन इफ बाई चांस कभी बाहर है तो आई एम बैड इन दैट बट ही इज वेरी पर्टिकुलर. ये कॉल करेगा, अच्छा खाना
हॉलीडेज भी हम लोग साथ में ही जाते हैं. कभी
बच्चों के लिए तो कभी गिल्टी नहीं फील हुआ बिकॉज
we are actually blessed with two beautiful बाकी very understanding children. और बाकी ऐसा कभी भी फील नहीं हुआ क्योंकि उनको हमेशा से ये बताया गया था कि बेटा कोई केस है तो बाकी हम लोग को थोड़ा सा टाइम लग जाएगा.
kids are different souls, though they are part of us but they are not us. तो let them grow, अपने आप उनको ब्लूम करने देना चाहिए. जैसा वो चल रहे हैं उनकी लाइफ को कंट्रोल नहीं करने का. इंडियन पेरेंटिंग की डेफिनेशन करो तो मे बी मिस किया है, अदरवाइज नहीं. वी हैव डन क्वाइट रीजनेबल विद देम एंड दे आर क्वाइट हैप्पी. Dr. Sheila Pelajani means my mother-in-law. She herself is a big name in the medical fraternity. 85 years of age, but that time when women never used to get themselves educated, उन्होंने अपना post graduation किया. Even मतलब मेरी मैरिज के बाद 4 बजे उठती थी और अपना पर्सनल वर्क करने के बाद she used to be in the operation theatre by 5:30 और मुझ पे था कि उनसे पहले पहुंचना है because you are now an assistant to her. तो थोड़ा सा प्रेशर था, हालांकि आई एम नॉट द वन हु टेक प्रेशर, लेकिन हाँ अपने आप को प्रूव करने का एक एक्साइटमेंट रहता है. एंड लकीली समीर वाज देयर बताने के लिए. एंड द फर्स्ट थिंग ही टोल्ड मी कि तुमको डॉक्टर शीला पहलाजानी की बहू बनना है या अपना एक नाम बनाना है.
ऐसा तो अभी तक तो रूल नहीं है बट लाइक बाकी ऐसा कुछ टाइम होता है कि व्हेन एवर वी गो फॉर अ ड्राइव और लाइक वी गो टू समबडीज हाउस और बाकी ऐसा कुछ अगर कि प्राइवेट टाइम होता है तो वी से कि अभी अपन यहाँ पे जा रहे हैं तो बाकी हॉस्पिटल की ऐसी कुछ भी बात नहीं होगी.
ये बोलता है कब घर की बात घर में, हॉस्पिटल की बात घर में मत किया कर, सब चीज़ें वहाँ छोड़ के आया कर. बट आई एम the one who always break and get hospital stuff into house. ये balance कर लेता. तो usually get up early in the morning और एक आदत है चाहे 10 मिनट या आधा घंटा डिपेंडिंग अपॉन या कभी कभी 1 घंटा भी, कितना टाइम है मेडिटेशन करने का. उसके बाद आई से इमीडिएटली स्टार्ट विद माई OT ऑपरेशंस जो उस दिन के शेड्यूल होते हैं. एंड आई प्रेफर कि मेरे जितनी भी सर्जरीज हैं, खासकर बड़ी सर्जरीज, प्लान्ड सर्जरीज, वो अर्ली मॉर्निंग ख़त्म हो जाए. देन वी क्विकली गो फॉर आवर ब्रेकफास्ट एंड कम बैक अगेन एट 11 o'clock. फिर यहाँ पे अपना आउट पेशेंट्स स्टार्ट होता है, OPD स्टार्ट किया जाता है. और उसके बाद वी टेक लंच. फिर 1 घंटा इट्स आवर टाइम खुद का या बच्चों का जैसा भी है, या कुछ पर्सनल वर्क रहता है. फिर 1.5 hour जिम का रहता है इवनिंग में. एंड 7 o'clock फॉर द इवनिंग OPD. एंड फिर वो 9-9:30 तक ख़त्म होता है. एंड जैसे OPD ख़त्म होता है वी हैव अ रिचुअल कि मैं और समीर तो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम, और अगर कभी कभी बच्चे भी हमें ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं तो वी गो आउट फॉर अ क्विक ड्राइव, मे बी कभी 15 minutes, हाफ एन आवर, अराउंड 10-10:30 वी टेक आवर डिनर. एंड फिर उसके 1.5 hours के बाद सो जाते हैं. इफ़ वी हैव नाइट इन्विटेशन वी आर क्वाइट गुड इन सोशलाइजिंग. तो जो भी रात के इनविटेशंस होते हैं वो हम ज़रूर अटेंड करते हैं. अगर किसी का भी इनवाइट है या फ्रेंड्स का है या किसी के बर्थडे इनवाइट्स हैं.
Who's most likely to forget the anniversaries or birthdays? Okay. Who's most likely to say sorry after a fight? Who's most likely to come up with nicknames? Who's most likely to stay at home with kids? Who's most likely to plan a surprise for their partner?
मैं गिनवा सकती हूँ मैंने कितने सरप्राइजेस प्लान किए, तुम एक भी गिनवाओ।
अब इनके सामने करूँगी, चलो मैं
Who's most likely to drink more than 3 cups of coffee a day?
कॉफी
Who's most likely to cook for the other?
4-5 साल बहुत पराठे बनवाए इसने।
I remember she worked hard and she helped me in all aspects. So that's why we are very happy with her.
They are hardworking, they are committed, they are devoted, they are very, very careful. They just take care of everybody at home, outside, society.
Siddharth, calm down.
Was it up to the mark?
Perfect.
What was the water content?
0.
As usual. And the fat?
Just perfect how it should be.
Perfect. We are ready to start our day.
Power breakfast for a powerful start.
Usually we don't discuss work after evening. So whatever the work is needed to be done is all in this table.
It's all on the
And once-
breakfast table,
yeah.
and when you're sorted for the whole day, we manage, like I said before, that I need to keep it on time because I have a lot more responsibilities at home. So I make sure that we discuss for at least 15-20 minutes while we have breakfast.
And she also does the regular checkups for the milk and the breads in the morning. She does that in the morning hour, and then we sit in.
Early morning around 7:30, between 7:30 and 8 is when I have to analyze the milk when it comes, and that's how it begins.
So how I start is I place all the difficult part of my jobs in the morning. I want that to clear all the pending thoughts or plans or work-related things I have in the morning, and then I keep the easier thing for the evening, so that I want to end my day in a lighter note every time. We also plant a lot of trees every year, and that's a small contribution that we feel that we should do and everybody should do from our end.
So it's a funny story. We met through a common friend. We met at a party, and one of the friends introduced.
And we are no more friends to them.
Yeah, we're not friends with that friend
Anymore.
anymore.
We always get a support from them that are we going right or not. So we get a very valuable feedback from them, and they've been a constant support to us. So they've kept us going. Like the family, both the families, they support us a lot. So as the friends we're very lucky to have a set of friends that we have right now. So it's nice.
So when it comes to work from home, I'm very particular. I have to manage the household as well. I need to see someone new, then I have to see the work as well. Whatever Siddharth gets me along from his office. So I have a time set for everything. So early morning hours when he leaves for work, before that I need to completely look after him and someone new. So I do the quality check at home only, and while someone new.
At Sam's quality, we take it very seriously, and she completely she manages it.
Yeah, it's
quite
like
well.
it's like looking after a baby. So
Yeah.
you all can trust that the products they're going to your babies as well. So that's how I
It's been
take care
taken
of.
care of. We actually both are very much dominating.
Equally
Equal.
dominating.
Equally. So we let our thought win the battle. Then as a person.
Huh.
So,
He's right
yeah.
somewhere. I don't know if he's making complete sense, but yeah, we
See.
we both are equally dominating, and we know when to back off as well. So if there is any argument, I know when to walk off. Or
See,
he
at
knows.
the end, the result should win.
Exactly.
The positive result should win.
Yeah, we have a similar taste in music, so we really like listening to music. So we go on drives, and because of the whole situation, we're not able to take proper holidays right now. But we still try to make it for drives, or maybe evening dinners, or maybe spend time with someone new, get a good board game and play along with him. That's how it's being done. So when we were approached by the local and I heard the term the power couple for the first time, I was thrilled because I did not know that I am one. And yeah, it's a very good feeling. I feel good to be called so.
Never have I ever pretended to hear my partner. Never have I kept a secret from my partner. Siddharth goes 2 down. Never have I ever lied about the taste of my partner's food that he or she cooked.
No.
Siddharth, 3 down already.
क्या अच्छा खाना नहीं बनाते आप?
Never have I ever watched a scary movie. This is an easy one.
Oh yeah, we have.
Never have I ever forgotten my partner's birthday.
No.
Never have I ever felt asleep while watching TV together.
No, I haven't.
Yeah.
What were we watching?
Never have I ever said on my way when I'm still at home or at work.
All the time. All the time.
Never have I ever wanted to change something about my partner.
Not
On
really.
camera, guys.
Not really. Her height maybe. Little bit less.
Maybe I want him to be a little taller.
Oh, okay. To everyone who are watching this, and you and your partner wants to start a business,
Just remember,
to believe in the purpose and trust the process.
Like, share and subscribe to the local tube.